Hey, my name is Markov Yuri. Today, I will talk about the farting sound effect from S4int. It's from a video called // request by at JACHAFART2 vertical bracket CHANGBD // It was uploaded on October 14th, 2022. The sound length from this video is 034 to 054. The relaxing music will be removed at the beginning and end. This sound is only used when I poop. I will show you this sound effect right now. It goes like this. See, this is how the farting sound effect from S4int sounds like. Now, I'm going to poop by testing this sound effect. I feel so much better. S4int's farting sound effect is only used for pooping. Remember children, just use this sound effect when you need to poop.